We can use goalseek to find the result we want by adjusting an input value. In other words, if we know the result that we want from a formula, but we are not sure what input value the formula needs to get that result, then in such situation, we can use goalseek feature. In today's video, we will learn about how to use goalseek feature with a couple of examples, so stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. We have a cost sheet here. Our product is being sold at 80,000 per unit and our total cost is approximately 73,000, which leaves us with profit of approximately 7,000. Our task here is that we want to calculate this cost sheet in such a manner that we get profit of 15,000 instead of 7,000. The calculation won't be straightforward, since our per unit production cost is 40,000, but the wages is dynamically calculated to 20% of production cost, and transportation is calculated to 15% on production as well as wages. Similarly, commission is calculated 5% on production, wages and transportation, and finally marketing is calculated 20% on above 4 amounts. So first, let us try to do this manually. Let's make production cost to 35,000. Profit is going higher. Let's make this 36,000. Profit is less than our target. Let's make this to 35,500. We are closer. Let's increase this more by 100. Still closer. Let's increase this more by 20. Profit dropped a bit. Let's decrease this by 10. Still more by 10. So when the calculations are linked to each other and dynamically changes when we change one value, this kind of back calculations becomes difficult, or rather it becomes a matter of trial and error. But in Excel, we have a feature named goalseek. This feature is specifically created to help us in this kind of situation. Let us go back to 40,000 and check how goalseek works. Goalseek can be found in data ribbon under what if analysis. There are few parameters which we need to provide in this dialog box. The first is target cell, which is profit cell in our case. Next is the value which we want. So this is 15,000 in our case. And finally, which cell we want to change. So we want to change the production cost cell. Now we just need to click OK and leave the rest on Excel. And our job is done. This not only works on numbers, but it also works on dates. Let's see another example here where we have a project plan and each stage has a start date and number of days for completion and completion date. And the next start date is same as previous stage's completion date. So the plan is calculated in this manner. So if we start our project on 1st of January, then it will get completed on 18th May. But our project manager has asked us to deliver this latest by 31st March. So we will need to back calculate our entire program. To do this, we will apply goalseek here. We will go back to our data ribbon, what if analysis, goalseek. Our set cell is this. Value is 31/03/2021. And we need to change this cell. Okay. So we need to start our project latest by 14th of November. I hope you got a hang of how goalseek works. In case if you have any query on this, please write it in the comment box below and I will try to resolve them. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.